how to set a custom ringtone on your iPhone in 2024 on iOS 17. That's quite simple, interesting, and easy. But before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button, and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistakes. So first of all, in order to set a custom ringtone in your iPhone for free of cost, you will have to open the App Store, and then you'll have to download an application known as GarageBand. Search for it, and you'll have to download this one, and it comes from Apple. And once you have downloaded it, you'll have to go back and go to the application, and you'll have to open the application. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to allow permission and click on continue, and then click on continue and allow. Now you'll find a lot of tracks here. You'll have to scroll to the right side, and you'll find an audio recorder. You'll have to click on it, and once it opens, first of all you will have to export that particular mp3 audio that you want to make your iPhone's ringtone. You'll have to click on this space bar or on the top left just next to this icon. Click on it, and this type of page will appear in front of you. Now in order to export that audio, you'll have to click on that loop on the top right next to the settings like this, and then click on files and browse from the files. Now you'll have to select any one of them, like for example, I will select any one of them like this. And once you will click on it, oh sorry, you'll have to basically long press it and then click on it. Now it will be exported, and now you can easily drag it down to this page. And once you've done it, you will simply have to export it to your songs that you and you then you'll be able to set this song as your ringtone. You'll have to click on that down arrow on the top left and click on my songs, and it will be exported, and it will take a while to export. And once it's exported, you'll have to long press on it and click on share, and you'll be given an option to set this song as your ringtone. Click on ringtone and click on export. And this particular audio is exported as a ringtone. Now if you go back to the settings and click on sounds and haptics and click on ringtone, you'll find a my song that I just exported. You can play it